thunderstorm warning for northeastern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, Centre County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, northeastern Huntington County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Middleburg to Black Buchanan State Park to Bald Eagle, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include State College, Bellefonte, Tyrone, Park Forest Village, Goldsburg, Pleasant Gap, Lemont, Stormstown, Lemont, Bald Eagle, Zion, and Howderville. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Snowshoe and Jersey Shore exits, specifically for mile markers 150 to 188. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 50 to 85. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central and north central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Centre, Clinton, and Huntington. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Centre County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, northeastern Huntington County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Midland County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Castania to Spring Mills to Ramblewood, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include State College, Vicksburg, Carroll, Woodward, Goldsburg, Pleasant Gap, Lemont, Zion, Howderville, Pine Grove Mills, and Milroy. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Lamar and Milton-Williamsport exits, specifically between mile markers 176 and 178, between mile markers 180 and 198, and for mile markers 209 to 210. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 73 to 82. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central and north central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Centre, Clinton, Huntington, Richland, Snyder, and Union. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. Watch number 480. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Weiserville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, thunderstorm will be near Fort Trevorton and Miserville around 5:30 p.m. Urban, Reba, and Clingerstown around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dalmatia and Herndon. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Juniata, Northumberland, and Snyder. Tornado watch number 482 remains in. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, west central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania.
Your support is needed. Visit
At 5:14 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paxtonville to near Mexico to East Waterford, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
the
expected
National
damage to
Weather
roofs,
Service has issued a severe
Locations impacted include Shamokin, Sealands Grove, Wheelersburg,
northwestern
and
Dauphin
Ferndale,
County in
Trevor-
south
Lycus,
central
Newport,
to near Mexico to East Waterford, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
severe thunderstorms.
Source, what's going
Although
on?
a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during a severe thunderstorm.
Central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, west central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder, Pennsylvania. Until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At
A tornado
5:14
watch
p.m.
remains in
Eastern
effect
Daylight
until
Time.
8 p.m. for
Severe
south central and
thunderstorms
central
were located
Pennsylvania.
along a line extending from
Repeating, a
Paxtonville
severe
to near
thunderstorm
Mexico
warning has
to
been
East
issued
Waterford,
until 6 p.m. for the
moving
following
east at
counties:
35 miles
Dauphin,
per hour.
Juniata, Northumberland, Perry,
60 miles
Schuylkill,
per
and
hour
Snyder.
wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Tornado watch number 482
Locations
remains.
impacted include Shamokin, Sealands, Harrisburg, Fairview, Ferndale, Trevorton, Lycans, Newport, Duncannon, Elizabethville, Middleburg, Honey Grove, and New Bloomfield. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Stay inside a well-built structure, and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tamaqua to Wanamaker's to near Shoemaker's, Galesburgville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per
Storm
hour.
is on the way for me,
Source, radar
at
indicated.
least as long as I'm here.
Impact.
But yes, y'all, obviously y'all remember this site.
And power lines is possible.
I'm visiting my house.
Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Kutztown, Hamburg, Sladington, Fleetwood, East Greenville, Bath, Walnutford, Topton, and Leesport. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 41 and 73. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 33 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. 482 has been canceled for the following counties: Cumberland. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Blair County in central Pennsylvania, Northern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, West Central Richland County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Birmingham to Altoona to Duncansville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Altoona, Huntington, Hollidaysburg, Tyrone, Lakemont, Bellwood, Belleville, Williamsburg, Duncansville, Tipton, Reedsville, and Allensville. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes Interstate 99-mile markers 23 to 49. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Huntingdon, and Mifflin. The National Weather Service has issued thunderstorm warning for East Central Blair County in central Pennsylvania, Central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, Richland County in central Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Reedville to Allensville to Huntingdon to Entrican, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Huntingdon, Mount Union, Burnham, Belleville, Highland Park, Yeagertown, McAllisterville, Spruce Creek, Stroh's Mills, Reedsville, and Juliana Terrace. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Huntingdon, Juliana, and Mifflin. Tornado watch number 482 remains Mifflin. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Willow Hill, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carlisle, Plainfield, Slusser, Mount Holly Springs, Newville, Blossville, Roxbury, Walnut Bottom, Big Spring State Park, Doylesburg, Colonel Denning State Park, and Willow Hill. Radar has indicated rotation within this severe thunderstorm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 186 and to mile markers 188 to 224. Interstate 81 from mile markers 31 to 46. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for South Central and Central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Franklin, Huntington, and Perry. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshallton to near Donaldson to near DeHart Dam, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lehighton, Kutztown, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, Nesquehoning, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Strausstown, Leonardsville, Fairview Heights, New Mahoning, Wanamakers, New Tripoli, Jordan Valley, Lansford, Summit Hill, and Centerport. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 8, in between mile markers 10 and 49. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe... The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wyomissing or near Reading, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Wyomissing, Souderton, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Sinking Spring, Trapp, Schwenksville, Bechteltville, Green Lane, New Morgan, Putown, Spring Mount, and Gilbertsville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 27 and 38. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 3 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has... Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for northern Huntington County in central Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Spruce Creek, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Spruce Creek around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Peter Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Huntington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service has issued tornado. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Midland County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McClure, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McClure, Beaver Springs, Richfield, Paxtonville, Troxville, Belltown, Snyder Midwest Ward State Park, Beavertown, and Wagner. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Juliana, Midland, and Snyder. Tornado watch number 482. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Walnut Bottom, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be
The
near
National
Pine
Weather
Grove Forest around
Cumberland
6:30
County,
p.m.
Pennsylvania, effective until 7:08 p.m. The National Weather Service in State
This
College
includes
has
Interstate
issued a
81-mile markers 31 to 43. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
It's likely.
in a mobile
You know what,
home,
WRBT?
or in a
The storm will be
vehicle,
near
move to the
Pine
closest
Grove
substantial
Forest around
shelter and
6:30
protect
p.m.
yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Pennsylvania.
It will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or
The
destroyed.
National Weather Service in
Damage
Mount
to
Holly,
roofs,
New Jersey,
windows, and vehicles will occur.
warning for
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pine Grove on 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mount Holly Springs around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. ET1 from mile markers 31 to 43. Precautionary/preparedness action. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Franklinville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Whipple Dam State Park around 4:20 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Huntington, Pennsylvania. The tornado warning for northern Huntington, wind gusts of 50 to 55. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dawson County in south central Pennsylvania, Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, west central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paxtonville to near Mexico to East Waterford, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shamokin, Felix Grove, Millersburg, Fairview and Ferndale, Tremorton, Lycon, Newport, Dunn Canyon, Elizabethville, Middleburg, Honey Grove, and New Bloomfield. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Juliana, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill, and Snyder. Strong thunderstorms will impact east.
Yep.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m.
Weather Service has issued a
44 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Galesburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include York, Lyclestown,
following Pennsylvania counties Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, and York.
National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Adams County,
Uh-oh.
eastern Adams County, in south central Pennsylvania, central Cumberland County.
This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 239 and 240, and the mile markers 243 and 254.
West York, Grandway,
Interstate
Valley
83
Green,
from mile markers 21 to
Boylston,
38. Interstate 283.
Now, why can't you hear that well?
Grandway, Valley Green, Boiling Spring, Manchester, and Emmetsville.
Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central Pennsylvania. warning has been issued
Steelton,
until 7:30 p.m. for the
West
following
York,
counties:
Brent,
and a severe thunderstorm. Malvern and York.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes
Uh-oh.
Workers 243 and 264. Interstate 83 for mile markers 21.
What's this? SVR.
400.
College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania. East Berlin, a severe thunderstorm was located over McKeesburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard for 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties.
Sighting entries. Locations impacted include Tamaqua, Orwigsburg, Hometown, Aurora, Briar City, Park Crest, McKeesburg, Coaldale, Snyders, Auburn, Deer Lake, Port Clinton, and New Ringgold. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for